Today we're going to do a video of exploding a peep in the microwave. We're not really exploding, but putting it in there.
You can't.
Why? We need to put the, hold on here.
You need the turntable in there.
Yeah, let's put that on there. We already did some and tested it, so.
Does it hurt anything?
No. I don't know how to put it in there, but I'll try.
Oh.
I'm going to need your help.
Hey, Mom. Hello?
We're going to explode this peep.
Only one. We're going to see how big it goes.
Alright.
Okay, so 30. Then, come on. Come on. Grow. Oh, it's growing. It's growing. Oh my god. It looks like that big water balloon that Dan was in the slow-mo guys.
I know.
Oh man. There we go.
Well, there you go.
Did it?
A melted peep. You want to do it again?
Should we melt it more?
Sure.
Oh gosh. This time
We'll
like
do
10.
15.
It's not even gonna grow.
Oh, maybe it will. Like that. Yeah, it's going.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's do it again.
Oh.
10 more seconds.
Come on! I wonder when it's gonna put a hole through the plate again.
I don't know. He's so fat. Dang it. So quick.
30 seconds.
Alright. Oh, put a little hole through the plate, kind of. Alright, well, there's your toasted peep. And here you go. You can eat it.
I'm definitely not eating that. Is it hot?
Kind of.
Smells like a marshmallow.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That was
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Geez, that.
Bye.